Hello everyone. So now we will learn how to add a new test in Neopet. If you want to manage your test in a Neopet, so how to manage it? Simply you have to select test. After selecting test, you can see all the tests on the screen like biochemistry, PCR, and if you want to add another new test in Neopet, simply you have to create. I am creating vitamins. Suppose this test name is vitamin test. Fill all the details like shortcut, sample name, sample type and shortcut name of your test. Price will be 200 for this test. We will charge 200 for this test, and if you want to add precaution, you can add from here. And is this an external test? If it's an external test, you can add from directly here. I already made a video on that. If this test is not doing your laboratory, so you can directly send to another lab. And what they charge for this, so you can select it. And now you have to add component like name, unit related to your test, and gender, like both this test is for both, like male female, for and days, months. This test is for age 20 to 40. Critical low 10. You can add as your choice. According to your choice, you can add anything and just add. If you want to charge separated fees, you can just add from here like 100 rupees and just save. If you want to add comments, you can add comments and save. After save, it will save automatically in your test list. And if you want to search, you can directly search from here. You can see vitamins. So this is how you can add your test in Neopet. You can manage all these things related to your test. And if you want to add it, you can directly add it from here. Like change the name and save. Save. After save, it will automatically update your edit. If you want to delete, you can directly delete from here. And is it an external test or not? So it's not an external test. That's why it's showing in green, in orange, and external test will show on green color. External test will show on green color. So this is how you can manage your new test in Neopet. Thank you.